Alright. I'll give it to him. You can keep doing what you're doing. We're just, again, we're kind of concerned. Yeah, seeing somebody dump a bunch of stuff there. So,
Can I have it back? No, don't run it. Don't run my card. Don't run my ID.
Huh?
Don't run my ID.
Don't run your ID?
You have no reason to.
Well, we're going to at least mark it down. We're going to take down your information.
Nope. I'm on my property. Put in trash in mine.
Okay.
This is where things get complicated. Notice how the officers acknowledge he's a tenant, yet still push the idea that he may not have privilege to use the dumpster. This is a subtle but powerful legal pivot. They're shifting from illegal dumping suspicion to property access uncertainty to justify prolonging the stop. Viewers, what do you think? Did the lawyer already provide enough evidence to dispel suspicion, or were officers right to keep digging? Drop your opinion below. This is where most courts split down the middle.
Hi there.
My office is here.
Your office is here?
I own an office here.
Okay, which office is it?
The Auditor law firm.
The what?
Here is my business card.
Suite 160.
Okay.
If you need my
All right.
ID, I
Huh?
can show you my ID.
If you don't mind, just so, yeah, if you don't mind, can we see your ID?
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool,
That is pretty cool.
that's a slick business card.
Yep.
Alright. I'll give it to him. You can keep doing what you're doing. We're just, again, we're kind of concerned. Yeah, seeing somebody dump a bunch of stuff there. So,
Can I have it back? No, don't run it. Don't run my card. Don't run my ID.
Huh?
Don't run my ID.
Don't run your ID?
You have no reason to.
Well, we're going to at least mark it down. We're going to take down your information.
Nope. I'm on my property. Put in trash in mine.
Okay.
Welcome back to UK Cop Hub. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you never miss our daily breakdowns that help you understand your legal rights. Today's case is a wild one. A civil rights lawyer, taking out trash behind his own office, ends up getting confronted by police who think he might be illegally dumping. What starts as a simple trash run spirals into a clash over reasonable suspicion, ID laws, and a heated debate about officers running his information. Stick around, because the legal twists in this one are insane.
I understand.
Okay.
But I'm not violating any law. So don't
No
run
one
my
said that
ID.
you were violating any law.
No. Don't run my ID. I'm a lawyer. I know my rights.
Okay.
I'm not violating any law. I'm on my property. There's no suspicion. No one called anybody. So don't run my ID. I only identify myself so that this won't escalate.
That's fine, but we can still mark down who we're out with, and so that's what we're going to do.
No.
Yes.
You didn't stop me. Don't turn
Yes.
this into an issue.
Sir, you are turning this into an issue. We're just simply marking down who we're out with.
Yeah.
So he's just
I'll
going to write it
take
down
what?
on a piece of
Oh,
paper.
it's just your name.
Why?
Because, sir, we are out with you because we were concerned that you were illegally dumping.
But you've already discovered. Do you want me to show you my office?
I understand that you're here, but I don't know if this dumpster belongs to you or somebody else in the
It belongs
complex.
to me.
To you and you alone.
Yes.
Can you prove that that dumpster belongs to you and you alone?
This dumpster belongs to the property.
Okay,
and I'm
that's
dumping my stuff in there.
That's my point, though. Is it if it's also other units?
So what? It belongs to everybody. We're paying for
Okay.
it. It doesn't really matter if it belongs to all the units.
That's fine.
Just give me back my ID. Thank
There.
you. Thank you. Don't worry, everything is under control. And that's my wife.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
You know,
fine.
I understand
Do you want your card
came,
back?
Yeah, I understand you came to check, but trying to run my ID to find anything, no, that's illegal.
That is not illegal. But okay, you can finish dumping if you like.
Thank you.
All right, just turn around and get out of here, and then we'll...
To wrap this up professionally, this encounter highlights a major tension between constitutional protections and departmental policy. The officers relied on reasonable suspicion under Ohio Revised Code 2921.29 and later used the ambiguity of commercial lease rights to justify extending their investigation. Meanwhile, Mr. Olawale exercised his rights correctly, providing identification without consenting to an ID check, a crucial distinction under Terry Stop principles and Rodriguez v. United States. Cases like this reveal how easily everyday situations can become legal gray zones. If you found this breakdown as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping copcam analysis every day.